Hello, young artists, and welcome to Kids Drawing Academy. This is the place where imagination comes to life, one drawing at a time. Whether you're a beginner or already love drawing, you're in the right place. Here we'll learn how to draw cute characters, amazing animals, fun cartoons, and much more in simple step-by-step lessons. So grab your pencil, paper, and colors, because every drawing is an exciting adventure. Let's learn, create, and have fun together. Today we're going to draw a super cute monster. Wow, your cute monster is finished. Thank you for drawing with Kids Drawing Academy. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new drawing adventure. See you in the next video. Keep drawing, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun. Bye-bye.